Hi, my name is Pat Chang. I'm a solutions architect with F5 Networks.
Okay, what was the main message of your presentation?
Well, the main message of my presentation was how to add IPv6 to existing IPv4 services using a reverse proxy.
Okay, what advice do you have for IPv6 professionals?
Well, the advice I would have is that everything that you do in terms of service migration is really application dependent. And so in the end, you've got to develop a working relationship with the application owners on an app-by-app basis in order to ensure success.
Okay, if you want a single domain name to point to both an IPv4 and an IPv6 address, what things do you need to watch out for?
Well, the biggest thing is that your operating systems nowadays make a quad A request first and then an A request. So if your client is making a request for a quad A record and you return one, but it doesn't have IPv6 connectivity, it'll just spin around for a while and it'll look like your application is broken. So that's the thing you have to be careful about is, are you sure that the client can actually handle an IPv6 response?
Okay, when putting existing IPv4 applications on IPv6, what are some things you need to consider?
So the biggest thing you need to consider is, one, how is it that you want to present that application to your users in terms of a fully qualified domain name, whether you want to run dual stack or single stack. And then you need to consider the application itself. Does it need to see the real IP address of the client? And if so, can it handle parsing the IPv6 address format? It's much longer, you've got colons in there, and some of the older software just can't handle that.